Range Rover in for the Starline S-Series alarm system. Triple immobilization. GPS tracking. Horn activation on unauthorized drive attempts. Phone call notifications. Solid blue LED light for visual immobilization indication. How the immobilization works. So the tags are in range, alarm disarmed. You can start the car. But as soon as you select gear, it turns itself off and activates another layer of immobilization. Now you need to enter your PIN code to disarm. Wait for 2 flashes. Now you can restart and drive away. Interested in having your car secured with the Starline Alarm, the most advanced security system in the world? Give Elite Car Security a call on the number below. We got this.